So dark. Talk like a bitch, nigga. Talk like a bitch. I don't know much thing on my phone. Hey. Loving you. It's beauty cause. Easy cause you're beautiful. And everything I do, in spite of love for you, loving you is easy cause you're beautiful. And everything I do, inside the love for you. Sha-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Do-do-do-do-do. Loving you is easy cause you're beautiful. And everything I do, all the love for you. Oh, damn it. Sha-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Do-do-do-do-do. No one make me feel the way you do. Sunshine me when I'm feeling blue. Sha-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Do-do-do-do-do. Loving you, it's beautiful, easy cause you're beautiful. And everything I do is all the love for you. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, do-do-do-do-do. Sunshine, you with sunshine when in blue. No matter what you say and what you do. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la. You know what? I can't look at myself. Sha-la-la-la-la. I can't have to close my eyes. Damn it. Damn you! It's Sunday. Good afternoon, people. And Toronto, England, Jamaica, Canada, Guyana, Grenada, Trinidad and Tobago, all the way in Puerto Rico, all the way in Dominican Republic, all the way in St. Croix, St. Kitts, and kiss my ass, and all the way in Brooklyn, New York, Manhattan, Queens, and New Jersey, all the way in Africa, in all parts of Africa, all the way in Ankang, Tingana, Mundama, 4-5, Triangle Wing, all the way Hong Kong, and all the way all over the world. I want to say also big up to Antigua and also forgot some of the places in my brain and not too well because I was in line last night and I think that silly little crack whore had a profile as 4 different people and she was saying how much you were poisoning me here slowly and whatever they're giving me is going to cause me to have several sicknesses in my body with my organs, and that's what it was doing while I'm trying to make you happy. You mean the bitch can't just go quietly? So I decided that, my tummy really kind of high yesterday, and not even feeling funny on top. And I said, I don't know when they sneak, so I gotta be trying to be so careful, So I went to Flatbush. Flatbush City. I got me some colon cleanse to make sure I flush out my whole entire system, fuckers. And if you don't got down, if it's a voodoo man or what the fuck I got to get to send it back in your ass, cock a nasty hole. Hello. And I got a colon cleanse and I this, Lord, me no omega drink this. No. Why? But the belly go have to go down, me and the belly not agree at all. Why? Anyway, this is colon cleanse. And inside of this here, I got me some, what was the name of this shit again I bought? These trees. I don't know the name of it. But this. Okay, I got that boil and I got me some Jamaican herbs in here, some Jamaican purging herbs to clean you up for biliousness and all that. Walk all the way to Church Avenue from my house and back not too long ago. So I'm gonna drink some of the colon cleanse first, and after all the fart and all the gas, everything should fucking go. I'm giving you a double doses, bitch. And after that, I'm gonna eat my dinner later. I don't know how, but I think I might be shitting for the whole night, but that's okay, as long as my gut go down, because something ain't right about this bitch. You poison me. I'll see if this not gonna come out of my system before I go to the doctor. I don't want to go to the doctor and doctor say like, damn, you need your shit. I don't want to do that, so I make sure clean first. So here I have colon cleanse. Put some water to it, and trust me, the thing about colon cleanse, goddamn it swells so fast. You have to mix it fast, as it swell up like a thick porridge. I mean, I like when it takes to go down so long. That's why I put too much water and too much ice in it. I don't know if I'm going to drink this now. Why? For the belly have to go dog. Sadamango, Marana, no nasty, mama ras. Hold on, let me try get it down there, girl. Yuck. All that damn food was tasting so good. I don't like the taste of that, girl. The colon cleanse with the wig in my mouth tastes like a batty me and I'm never near batty yet. I don't do it. I want to do it. I want to do it. I want to do it. I don't know if I can finish the rest. I think I had enough. Enough that I'm going to put too much in the glass. Come on, be careful with too much spoon you're supposed to use. I don't think we can do the rest. Come on, I'm going to drink it here. But so much I got to bust this fucking shit. I got to bust this. Boy, my gut got to go down, my nigga. I don't know. That shit ain't right. That's not my gut. Something up in that bitch. Whatever I put the glue, that bitch put crazy glue up in my food or some shit. No, it's hard to drink. You see what I mean? You have to drink now. I can't finish this log. I don't know. But I may take my cup of mine after I'm finish the rest. I don't know. You take up on me now. I'm drinking enough already because I still have this. And this we're going to drink. The herb and tea. You know what I think should ring, so it's not drink no more of this. The amount me get down, that's enough. Because I always are clean, and like some not clean. I take all the body flat for just the other day. There's something not right. I need to rinse out this. You see again? Look at this. Yeah. Can't. But this now is kind of cold. I wish it was warmer so I can drink it like a tea. Put some honey in it. So at least I get kind of taste out of it. Can be greedy. I'm put this in my fire warm. Make us give me 1 second. So. and shine and give God the glory. Rise and shine and give God the glory. Yeah, life ain't what you think it is, my nigga. I ain't got no makeup on, I put some lip gloss and they see me feel my eyes swell up again. What they spraying under the fucking the door. That's why they fucking stop in the bottom of the door, cause they know what they spraying at night through your shit. You wake up with your eyes swelling shit, bitch. I tell you, man, live in this city, they live in the town. People are so hateful, they fucking clown. They wanna see you 6 foot honor in a fucking gown. I tell you, these motherfuckers, they think you a clown. Y'all in a time for no hate to betray like a Jesus Judas. Yeah, when me tell her the word, you have to say you chew that. They want to cuss me, but God alone in my heart. You know, I trust the hate in the heart is real. They want to see you lie down dead, it's a deal. Your heart, they want to took, they want to steal. Man, they ain't got no feeling, the heart cold, they just can't feel. For real, yeah, the love that you give, you never get it back. All they do is mumble and chat behind your back. Some of them moving like they smoking crack and nixing your name like a Nixon knack. But you tell them what, you gotta rise to the top like a heartbeat, just like a drop. Yo, when I drink cocaine or when I drink coke, it's only stricter centimeter that we really smoke. Yo, smoke up the trees, that's not a joke. Pass it round, boy, take a toke. I wanted them want to iterate in. They know they can never take my place. Why? Cause my place is good. Jaja give me blessing and that's the way it should. My heart is kind, I'm damn fine, man. Look at me sometime, drop off for the dime. Motherfuckers stop cause they see that I rhyme. They can't really realize, man. I'm a superstar walking down the street in a water boot like I ain't got the next meal to eat. Some of them look for me like, damn, shorty, where you from? You look like you want a chicken wing. You hungry, man? I just walking through cause I know I'm a superstar. On the down low, they just don't know. You tell them, yo, you want to see me next time in Hollywood. You want to see me wake up in the Hollywood. Sucking on the dick of Hollywood is so good. They never know that, man. They never know that. Yo, damn, the blingy got to show that. Yo, my niggas, you know I love you, man. It's on the piece to rain. They're looking who is next gonna blow cocaine. They say you get the riches and you go insane. But I tell the love of Jah, it's always tame. Yo, the blessing of it fall, mister, just like a rain. Pot full of white rice. I saw the blessing stretch. I saw it real nice. You a top of crispy pea? Baby, you just wanna talk to me. You got them ties like a fried chicken wing. Tick on your plate. Boy, you gotta take a swing. You were talking about they wanna be a hater. You know, see me leave the hater for later. You were talking about a just mistake. In a condom that you should have come. Your father should have known that. Amen. You want to hate on me, but you never can be. Talking the truth, set your heart so free. Meek and mine, humble, that is me. Motherfucker, wanna talk, we gotta smoke the trees. Man, time to time, they don't wanna lime to lime. They open the legs, they sour just like lime. Some talk about they live the life for the white line. I don't live those kind of life, cause I know it's a crime. You're falling in pieces, just a matter of time. Say it again, bitch, you don't know shit. Talk about the nature that you wanna snitch. Bitch, you talking, your mouth full of shit. Talk about the nigga that you wanna snitch. You wanna snitch, bitch, when you was sucking his dick. You never realize till you get fucked. You talk about you wanna fall in love. Nigga don't wanna give you the time of day. That's when you get mad, but your niggas gonna spray. Shut your mouth and go suck them, bitch. You will talk, but the shit. You memorize this as a sperm in your brain. Memorize this, bitch, I know you can tame. No matter how you try me, I always shine. Like a diamond in the night with some wonderful dime. Yo, bitch, you wanna talk, I ain't commit no crime. Yo, love and peace and art and rain, me say. I want them talk about again, me say. Hey, stretch your body out again, me say. Hey, girl, when them want to kill you, cause they know you must get famous. Then want your belly swell, make your belly bust. They know why you look good in your dainty outfit. Then bad mind not kill them, they know why you fit it. Then why you go to swell and make your boss it out. Bad mind not kill the wild food, then better get him out. Tomorrow the last. Then they let them step in and then you ask the grass. When the quarters case tall, tomorrow last. So you walk around a shuba and a juke. I go on like you want piece of iron sticking on your nasty down. Yeah, huh? You tell me now. You tell me now. You tell me now. You tell me now, man. Tell me now. Yo, tell me now. Why they want to stop my flow, man? They don't realize I'm flowing smooth, my nigga. They want to stop my flow, my nigga. They realize that I'm flowing smooth, my nigga. Flowing smooth, girl, flowing smooth. Better up on the back and you get rude. Wipe on the cock is like a baby on the bicycle, not chewed. You don't need this shit. They say you're talking to rude. Bitch sucking a dick, but you want to class you. Talk about your mouth is nasty while she got sperm still stick on the tongue. She never realized she brush it down. Man, it's a shame how they try to put you down. But I tell you now, you're in the wrong place. You in the wrong place. You in the wrong place, hell. All this shit is new. I don't live with an inch. Ain't no poison in this bitch. I ain't smell a stench. Yeah, I wanna eat. And yeah. Yeah. Honey must come now, honey must come. Sweet like your mother, hold on. Honey must come. You know me whole money must come. Oh, honey must come. What I mean, whole money must come. Me have the whole it sweet like a honey gum. Honey must come. Girl, hold up your front if you have the honey must come. That means that the money I come for the boy and he can't done. Good old girl, you not big like a precipice. Jump and dance, you know, in a it. Hey, girl, you tight, you wanna big like a precipice. Jump, you know, in a it. Out your way, girl, you big like a precipice. I make the tight old girl, them go fit. Come out, girl, cause you big like a precipice. Make the tight old them, you go fit. Fitty, ow. When they want to talk with no business. Them say we are serve Satan, we say so big. And who you tell like on your office? You know you're black, yeah, you never know this. Hey, yo. Jamaica land me come from. Man, me used to yam enough yam and banana. Right, a time for me shine now. Let me get some $1 million and stop the fucking dollar and dime now. Fuck, make no crime now. Me have to drink all this shit until my shit all night. Bitch don't like when me say hold her mouth, let me squeeze it like a pipe. Hey girl, make me squeeze up my tripe. In your mouth, I me say, alright. Hey girl, cause you know your mouth big and your mouth in a tight. Your water in a right. Precipitate all, come out of the way, I make it a tall girl, them walking. Come out of the whole girl, make the good work. Walking girl, you're tight and clean. You hold them call it a cocky queen. Between your legs, you're nice and clean. Why them say you when you come on the scene? Cocky it a stiff cause that a for them dream. Walking, girl, walking. Man, what's wrong with these niggas, man? They wanna play around, man. Yeah, man. They never know me, man. They never know me. But the dollars gotta come, they gotta show me. You never know me, man, you never know me. Nigga talk about they wanna come blow me. You never know me, man, you never know me. Nigga talk about they wanna come blow me. Blow one, blow my toe. Hey, nigga, you ain't got no money, you ain't stop no fucking show. You're a broke ass nigga, ain't got no dough. Got the fuck out of here, man. You're a dough like you're making pizza. Talk about you got dough. You fucking look like Miss Risa. You talk about I wanna play in the game, my nigga. I wanna play in the game. You wanna talk shit, I don't play in the game, my nigga. It's only love I have for you, man. Yeah. Damn way, that's the color ones don't do this racist shit. Like eating some fucking hairy pussy. I'm fucking tired. Fuck. You're all everywhere like some wild ass pussy in your face. Pussy wild, no, you're not sure. Wild pussy in your mouth. God damn it. I love you. You love me. I love you. We will make a beauty family with a next like a pilot. What there your tongue it goes. White my clit is clean and snow. Lick, lick for tack for lick. Lick for tack for lick. Lick for tap for lick. Remove your lipstick. Suck on my clit. Miss a lick for lap a lip. Bitch wanna talk, but my kids is watching last night. Well, big old gal, where you come over, yeah, with your bag of pitney them. Fi go palm more if you find your pitney father them. I talk about me ya come and your pitney them. Me never ask you feel like on me rose cloth line. Dirty gal, big old, your damn bad mind. Go with your pitney them, go make chunks and the food. In the box, feed and go to bed, bitch. What you want to palm me line? I talk about my kids is watching. And take your kids and go. Your kids just see you sucking dick. Baby, let's go. You wanna talk some shit? You wanna bitch? Or when you know your fucking kid, see you suck the dick. Hello. Get off here if you don't like. You don't like me? Me no have to like for you. Hello. You don't like for me? Me no have to like for you. Me nice for you, you nice for me. I'm a nice person. You know? Nice lady. I know you nice to me. So you be nice to me, okay? Be nice to me. Like I tell you, every time you nice to me, everything okay for me. I'm nice to you, you nice for me. Okay, no problem for that. You nice for me, I nice for you. No problem for that. You don't understand for that, you goddamn it. Hello, Africa, huh? Africa, oh. If I jojo them send pa me mother's contact, go and send it back in the granny. Oh, I love granny, all again. Alright. Anyway, I know this thing tastes bad, you know, I'm trying to go around and around it in a circle. And I know I cannot. And I know I was going to drink this, and I said, let me buy 3 pieces of fried chicken. It's 3 pieces, I buy 4 pieces. I said, let me buy 4 pieces. I think it's yeah, but I'm not supposed to have chicken. But I said, let me buy 4 pieces, because since I'm going to go to the torch of all this wash out, I mean, at least when I'm done drinking this shit, I could eat something nice on my tongue, because I actually run into the Jamaican Grace ketchup. And you know when I see Jamaican Grace ketchup, I mean, I have not much here. Me boom boom jump. Me say, Lord, I want the Grace Jamaican ketchup. We don't have church avenue. Me say, Lord, me just cop it real quick, well, and buy it real quick. So me say, Lord, I thought go good a piece of fried chicken, chop up there now, nice with some rice and peas, with the whole part of Grace tomato ketchup patty. And child, I make sure I have that. So even though me I go through this now, you see, you have to go through things before the glory come later. Yes, if my belly not swell too much after, I can swelling clean swell up in a year, man. Swell up big, extend your swell up. Like me ready for going, like say me go have pity now. Like me ready now. Let us say call the ambulance here. She ready to give birth. Walk up the girl, walk up your sala. And just fall right hell out. Demon child, and want to breed me up because me don't know how much it up. I try to breed me that way, but whatever you do, it'll go back to the sender. Me no care what you say if I obia. Me a go send it back a sender. I me no care if I obia. Me a go send it to the sender. Me say if you send it to the sender back. Send it to the sender. Prop. Bust the shot. Send it to the sender back. Prop. Send it to the sender back. You want to try to send voodoo to blind my eye. Make my belly big so niggas can't see between my thigh. You want my cat to be shy. You want me getting a dick so the devil is a lie. Yo, they want to try me. They tell me not to try me. Don't make them try to define me. You hear me now? You hear me now? You hear me later or you hear me now? You hear me later or you hear me now? You hear me later or you hear me now? Whoa, you hear me later or you hear me now? Bow wow. Some man coming like a dog and them lick under. Am I youth? Every girl you a lick under. Your tongue coming like a pyjama. Every girl just a sleeping. Hey boy, oh you lick under. Every girl you come and you a lick under. Your tongue it a wipe it a lick under. Tell me something, your tongue a pyjama. A pyjama. A pyjama. Tell me something, it a pyjama. It a pyjama. Your tongue a pyjama. Your tongue in the middle and it wheel and sweet. But your tongue wipe out everything underneath. Boy, you walk all boat like a fool we can. Every girl call say come, boy, you run like a storm. Tell me what happened to your tongue make you wipe under. How your tongue it a pyjama? Bitch, every girl asleep in her. Sleep in her tongue, me say sleep on them tongue, girl. Sleep on them tongue till them tongue weird down. Sleep on them tongue, girl. Sleep on them tongue. Sleep on them tongue till them tongue weird down. Rub them tongue and chew it like a bubble gum. Rub the tongue on the red red gum. Rub the tongue till the tongue tired done. Then can't go a girl, you go use them tongue. Cause the tongue done sick and the tongue rub down. Rub the tongue until he nervous. Rub the tongue until he pain him. Rub the tongue until he stain on the tongue. But you better wasn't know when the boy in your ain't you see the little company tongue? How you done, rub it down. Hey boy, you better sit down. Walk about like your tongue. A pyjama. You me know, so your tongue half is strong. Some of your tongue weak and no muscle in the back. So no matter how you try to ask, lick it too strong pan top. Ain't no you have your legs them lock. Cause you are weak just to get for the gap. You are weak just to get for the gap. For make the come just fly out of that boy. How your tongue weak and a muscle in the back. How your tongue weak and muscle in the back. How your tongue weak and muscle in the back. How your tongue weak and muscle in the back. How your tongue weak and muscle in the back. How your tongue weak and muscle in the back. Hey boy, no muscle in the back. How your tongue weak and muscle in the back. I know your tongue weak and muscle in the back. I know your tongue weak and muscle in the back. Muscle in the back. Muscle in the back. Hey boy. Hey. You have to have muscle. To grab them a cheek, yeah. The tongue have to sit between the cheek. Let me squeeze it. Like a cushion bread. Like a cushion bread. They gotta squeeze it. Make you stifle. Make you can't breathe. Make you realize I'm me are the badness. I'm me are the boss. So when me tell you to go for the check and you go for come fast. Go for the money, cash it fast. Come at the boss. Yo, you not fit talk to woman if you look front. Run up your mouth, but everything you got. When you realize you can't buy them food, you can't buy them no pot, you can't buy them boot, and you can't buy them frock. Man, oh, you lie for your tongue. Talk how much girl you don't lay down. When you realize you're thirsty so long time you never see nothing front. When you see front talk with me, say you done ejaculate. You not get inside, why you late? Why? I don't give a shit, man. Yo, you know, man. Yo, man. I gotta drink the shit though. It's getting cold though. I know. I just like, yo, you know, honey's in it. I ain't lying, man. I drink a lot of stuff to clean my system. I ain't feel up to it. I just want to goddamn food. But I'm going to feel cool and just drinking at one time. My mother. My mother, bad mind people, stop fuck with me and let me be, bitch. Let me be. Get off of my case. Come off of my case. Let me to rest. Please, ma'am. Remember, say me have more than 2 years. I can see you from a distance. I know everything about you. Please, I can see you. So my body tight and my breast stiff. Boy, me say you want to feel it. Me have the feeling reveal it. Me have the feeling fit reveal it. Me have the feeling fit reveal it. Me have the feeling fit reveal it. So me tits them big and them stiff. Come in know say you want to feel it. Me have the tight one come reveal it. Come me have the thing to make you squealing. Hey boy, you a fraud. You want what you want man in the yard. And you can't buy nothing, never put a chicken back and nothing never in the yard. Hey boy, you what about you are? You're real and come down, select man. What's wrong with these babes, man? Yo, hater. Bitch, you a traitor. Get off this shit. You ain't gonna be no star. You're sucking dick down your throat. You ain't getting away so far. Take a trip on a fucking spaceship to Mars. Look me an Opie Winfrey hat. You know, not Oprah Winfrey, Opie Goldberg hat that you wear on the gold on the red carpet. It was just like that. Niggas, check out my shit if you don't know my flow. It's celebrity style, that's the only way I go. You feel me? Don't wanna act like you're sick, cause only doctor can heal. When Jah is the only one in your heart you can feel. Yo, I gotta keep it real, son. Don't come here and shake what your mama give you, cause I ain't got shit to give you. I ain't got $1, I ain't got a dime. Bitch, you walk up and down sucking dick, you waste of time. But you come on here, you wanna try me on my line. I tell you now, look at me, I'm so damn fine, my nigga. Next trip is to Olivet. I keep telling y'all, think it's a joke. Y'all say she's a fucking crackhead, she just a fucking smoke. But I tell you what, my life ain't a joke. Amen. Keep it cool, don't grumble in my nigga. You know you can't eat nothing but pussy here. So don't come to me to compare. Cause all the bitches you fuck, you know you got to share. And you come back, don't even get over here. Nigga, your life is done, is in despair. The last meal you eat was from Donald. Shipped straight from the White House, nigga, hold the back seat. Or you wanna come talk to me, nigga? Go warm up your shit in the microwave. That's the food is coming from the ship in couple days. Yo, my nigga, your food is ready. Your steak is hot. Coming right out the dish. Just the White House sent it, man. Your special gift from the White House, nigga. You eating dinner from the plate. You serious, I'm a nigga? Yo, wanna talk some shit. When you ever seen anybody with color eat that shit? From the days you should have known the luck you got. You're gonna sit on eating from the devil's pot. Hey, my nigga wanna stop me, man. Well, I'm trying to make it to Hollywood. Hollywood, here I come, man. Straight from Jamaica, country girl, Portland, Jamaica. Hello and good morning. And as I come to you, good morning, and today is Sunday. And people might say afternoon is good morning. I'm in London right now. Broadcast news today, after 11 o'clock, there was this young lady that she was found very, 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 very famous all over the world. Her name was Olivet Smelly. She had grown up in a small town with her mama, and she used to bring water in her head from the river. Life was really hard because she never know what a pair of shoes is for a long time when she teach herself to read and write. Yes, she thought that she could be a movie star one day and be somebody great and set the example to someone that lived the kind of life she lived. Here she are in America, rising to the big star, and we're going to give her $1 million. Fuck, what are you going to do today with your man? I'm going to go to the doctor right now, and I'm going to fix my nose. And next thing I know, I'm going to take the fat out my gut, I'm going to put it in my ass. I'm telling you, I'm going to look fly as a motherfucker. I'm going to get me some nice necklace. I'm going to get me some shoes and some fucking bag. I'm going to get all this shit. I'm going to get a mansion and put my ass in there too, goddammit. I'm going to do all this shit. And then when I sit down after that, I can't do shit. I can't do nothing after that. I'm just going to sit and wait for that, goddammit. Let me just take my time. I know what I'm coming, but I'm taking a little bit of time. I'm coming, goddammit. I just don't want to go sit yet. Wait. I'm coming. Ow! Somebody touch me. Somebody touch me. Somebody touch my soul. While I was praying, hallelujah, Shekinah, walking pan them, Lord. Walking pan them. Walking pan them. Hallelujah, we walking pan them. Walking pan them. Walking pan them. Hallelujah. Yeah, I'm spitting hallelujah, man. Hallelujah, man. I'm spitting hallelujah, man. Praise to the Lord that captured my soul. The feeling that he gave to me will never get old. The devil wanna come to want me sell my soul. But the secret that he gave me, yo, will burn my soul. Cause the love that he have, you know, will never get old. Jah is the light in my light. And it's the light that is shine. And it's the light that is mine. I don't give a fuck. Man, the talent that they gave me, the talent they want. It's like a demon in the brain, but the demons they taunt. They can't get the talent every day. way that they really want. Because the blessing only come to the chosen one. Many is called, but a few is chosen. I listen to the word where judge is spoken. Knock on the door and it surely open. Yo, they talk about the smoking. Yo, my life ain't no joking, yo. I say, I get on my knees and pray to God. I say, show me the way. You know I'm travel far, but the Spirit never left me yet. Every night in my bed, I pray, Lord. And sometimes I talk some shit that I regret, but I know deep down in my soul, His name gonna sweat, cause it's crucified to keep me alive. Some other wanna talk and they wanna make me cry. I don't give a damn, cause I know my way, cause salvation is the only way. The light is the light, separate from the dark. Some of y'all dark like a devil in a fog. Can't stop me now, cause I'm speaking the truth. When some of y'all pray, you're a damnable brute. You can't be real with God, you can't be real with yourself. You walk around every day and you the pretend. But I gotta come real, my niggas, I gotta come real, my friend. You gotta pray, get on your knees, and He show you the way. Separate the light from the dark, I say. Yo, I wouldn't worry with the hater when they come with. They don't know how to pray because the life already done with. They already cast out, man. They ain't got no vibes. They never even think. All they do is cry. They never look up one day, even at the sky. Look at the birds as they fly by to realize that it's not really a lie. Jah is really alive. But no, they sit and they criticize how they want to sell their soul. It's nothing left but for things on the earth for them to be gold, like fast cars and house and money and bling. They never think about nothing else, and they realize they ain't got no soul. Now they walk around empty and so fucking cold. But I tell you, my niggas, I'ma keep on praying, because I know if there's a devil, there is a way. That the shine of the light is always come my way. Yeah, you don't like what I'm saying? And my granddaughter, wait. Yeah. When y'all come over here, and you hear my granddaughter performing, you must have respect for the woman. When my granddaughter come over here and start to do her thing, low the blasted woman and make she use her talent, because somehow no girl throat is too deep to reach and who have no right for the things on somehow no saying. And that's why somehow no there last night, or the day tonight, on black to Mama Ross. And who get the chance to be here that was here last night, thank God, and just behave your fucking self. I get your stink ass mother scunt and go sit down again. I love you. Don't do this. I know you're a fan if you're watching me, and I love you. I don't mean to curse you. But sometimes you curse me and me curse you, but we still love each other. I saw you go in our business, you know. If you not take it personal, make it and take it personal. I mean, at least you're still there. I mean, I block you. Come on, give me a break. Let them go sit down in the back seat who is mad and them pussy sour. I want to laugh and enjoy our own life. But when you see my granddaughter come on here to do her thing, make the woman do her thing. I want to take on a mama cloth half you. My name is Mrs. Cockafort. And when you call the Jamaican station one, you will get me. I am a old-timer, you see. And I could teach a lot of your young girls a lot of things. Because some of you don't know how to wash no baggy crotches, make it look white. You still walk on with stain crotches like a breadfruit and pick and drop the stain on a dry scratch. So here before no cuss my granddaughter, get a grip on her life and understand about life and take the things that when me trying to warn you and tell them say success will come to who that want it and really want to be successful and have ambition. It will come, but if you sit around every day worrying about somebody what they're doing to be successful and you ain't trying a motherfucking thing but sucking balls, one day y'all gonna choke on that balls. I tell you, that same balls there. You see when you touch the ball and it drop like a chicken or gizzard when you're skinning chicken gizzard there. You ever see it look like inside a chicken gizzard and the skin with your skin off? Watch on yourself. Wanna not come and hear my granddaughter performing anything over here. If it's even dick she sucking, you know, be quiet. Don't try to disturb the woman while she working. If I walk by in the night and see a woman giving a man a head, sorry about that, my child. You know I go when holy age take you. And the woman was down on her knees, you see. And I don't know if this man life is the man life she sucking no time. But his head was up in the sky like he was receiving some kind of Holy Spirit touch. Him holding it up way up in the sky like he was getting touched by the Holy Spirit. And the devil condemned him. And the woman was right between his legs just sucking the life out of him. And I said, look at that. I'm a whole time. I can tell you a lot of things that has to take place in this world. This world, no, like one time at all. Aye. This will make your belly hurt you when you think about it, you know, child. But when you come on here and you hear the poor child performing, have some respect and dignity in yourself. If you don't want comedy, you don't watch fucking comedy. Scary like your mother big scunt where you come out of. You see him? Here's a fucking scunt ass boy. Get off this mother scunt. Talk about ugly. You never say your mama caca ugly boy. How man dig out your mama caca hole till your mama body will stretch out like cow body. When cow body hole deep like a press pit, boy go broke your neck under your no good mama. We're still trying to find who your papa is, you miserable. I try to tell us so when I used to do who know you know. My granddaughter used to put on the thing and do no, but she never come nothing out. So she not breathing no, she not respond for no as a father. One must left the girl alone. And if you don't leave her alone, you get what coming to no mother's cunt. I don't know, take it and run like a gunshot, you know, no ass. Somehow no watching no mama and jerking off, no nasty fuckers. You know, hold up, you know, the pussy over watch her when no mama half naked, no nasty cunt on no sister them. On a family ram, nasty blood clot, you know. You want to come and bring me down, you bring a cocky down in your throat and make it choke you to death. You're not going to bring me down, honey, and bring the balls down. You just bend right on and bring everything down on you. Please. I would not take parasites with not spraying them without a road spray and kill them. Oh. And so on. This piece now belongs to me between Yasso and Yasso. I don't know where that come from, so. Well, the fried chicken, maybe put it back, but I'll see. I'm going to enjoy my shit tonight. If I'm going to the bathroom, I take it with me. No, if you go no way. When I'm not, nothing else enough for a man inside here, everything I buy just new, everything. I check when you come to your body and people talk about them poison you. It's not funny. Yo, my niggas, man. Why do you want to eat? You're beautiful is what you want. You're beautiful. You're a beautiful star. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful star. Yeah. You've been looking. You've been searching. You've been trying to find your way. You put ups and down the mountain. Your life to want to slay. But you keep on trying, you keep on praying, and you try every day, yeah. Cause you know your strength that you got up your punches, cause that will lead the way. Believe in yourself, no matter what they say, cause you're beautiful, yeah. You're beautiful, you're beautiful, you're Yeah. Yeah. I've been loving you. Okay. Oh, I'm loving you. Baby, I'm loving you. Tell me why didn't make it up last night. I was here just holding a goddamn knife. Oh, motherfucker, don't you know the feeling when I play my life? Oh, I didn't sleep last night. I was tossing, I was turning, I was searching myself to find out why you ain't come on, baby. You're sucking on somebody else. As you walk in, I got a knife. Ooh, I got a knife. Yeah. I'm searching myself to see what I've done wrong to you, bitch. Oh, I was so mad. I went to the kitchen for a goddamn knife. I was waiting for you, bitch. When I think about my life, I said, no. I'm going down to Central Booking. The cops ain't gonna come to get me again. Nah. Too much time I ruled this motherfucker up, but he never learned. Nah. You know I'ma root you up, I'ma fight tonight, bitch. You know you give away that goddamn good dick. You know I'ma fight you tonight, bitch. Oh, no, you know I'ma fight you tonight, motherfucker. I'ma go to jail for the dick. I love you, but I gotta root your ass up for what you did. I love you, bitch. I love you. But I'ma root you up for what you did. You know that. Slow motion, I give it to you. Fast motion, I give it to you. Even the back shot, I give it to you. Even the dog drop, I give it to you. Nigga want me to do the banana peel, that means suck his balls. Cuff it in your hand and put everything one stand for all. I did, oh, bitch, I gotta root you up. I let you know that I'm a woman, but I'm still tough. You wanna play games with my heart? No, my heart broke. Now I'm standing with a knife, but I don't want to get a stroke. I don't want to root you up. I don't want to go to jail again. So you're off the hook. I'ma just pack my goddamn bag and find somewhere else to book. Nigga, you're lucky you out of here. One more time you got spare. Remember that shit. Oh, I want to root you up, bitch. How many times you go aside to suck at the bitch's pussy? I talk to you. I said, baby, now I love you. Give me just be cool. You suck mine, you want to walk around suck everybody else. Like something is wrong with your goddamn mouth. You can't keep your goddamn mouth closed. Like a goddamn dog, you're barking out. Ah, you bitch. But it's okay. You know it's a long while you're still around. Playing at a woman, bitch. But it's alright. It's alright. Yeah. Anyway, my child. You see, when the girl perform, some of them talking all kind of shit. But here what happen? When them try to perform, you know, and then try to perform, then get 1 or 2 or 5 viewer. Then say, well, me not like her because people watch her and nobody no watch me. Me come and me put on my workout and me put on my sexy clothes and I come and put on my expensive Indian hair. Long down my back. Pretty makeup contour. Look at that bitch. She's a ugly grandchild. That's what they want to say, about my grandchild. Olivet is my grandchild. A lot of them say she's a ugly grandchild, grandma. I said, what you say about my granddaughter? You're damn well hot hard. Them say, no, grandma. True. Your granddaughter very ugly. Now, when I hear them kind of people, they hurt my soul because the child is a nice child. And she was always a good child. And she was always singing since she born out her mama hole, She been like that. I don't know the girl I sing. But them always say, look at your grandchild, that's a ugly child. Since she was young. Sometimes I laugh, I'm not laughing after my granddaughter, I'm laughing with her. But I just saying, a lot of time people used to see me and say, okay, Mrs. Kakafat, are your granddaughter that? I said, child, what kind of question that they ask me? She said, shh, the penny ugly, I want the papa. I said, come on, don't do that. I'm my daughter, child talking about. Come on, Miss Kakafat, me have something for you, Mama did send 2 dresses from foreign country. And she did send 1 shoes and so for you and 1 hat. Because she know you like to go to church and see 1 little money. Where's, all right. Where's, They put me ugly, Miss Kakafat. Your granddaughter ugly bad. Well, child, I saw she born. I saw she born. Tell your mother, I say thanks for the things, them you see. So you not bring nothing for the child, my granddaughter. No, you're not bringing anything for the child because the child too ugly, afraid of the child. How you mean that my granddaughter ugly, afraid of the child and not bring anything for the child? Your mama send 1 dress, come give me. So you want to talk bad about my granddaughter because you give me 2 little same thing them? No, but I take them back. Yes, she was born different child. I just saw it go. You see? I love you to tell your mother thanks. All right. But anyone who want to come over here and talk bad about the child, all you have to do is donate. After you donate to me, I can't say anything you want about Olivet. Go to YouTube and subscribe to Olivet Smelly. CMOLIVET Olivet. Look with the 2 big eye under your mama hole and see if your mama have any red left in her. Whosoever comment the 2 big eye them, tell them to use them 2 big fucking eye and tell them mama to walk my prayer crotch is big and look if any pink left inside of that mother's cunt. Whoop your eye them big for your mama pussy boy. Whoop me your eye big so you can't see up in your mother down hole. Well, look white like a Clorox bleach dash way in there. And spoil it up. Look different color like a fucking tie and dye. Tie and dye. Tie and dye, boy. Me jaws are not tie and dye. Tie and dye, boy. Me jaws are not tie and dye. Me dry is clean in no bad color like tie and dye. Me jaws are not tie and dye. Me jaws are not tie and dye. Me jaws are not tie and dye. Me hands are not tie and dye. Oh, me jaws are not tie and dye. Some girl draws dirty like a tie and dye. How much color it a tie and dye? Cause me jaws are not tie and dye. Cause me jaws are not tie and dye. Say me jaws are not tie and dye. Girl draws dirty like a tie and dye. Oh, your jaws dirty so. How much color will your jaws have? You put bleach and now we multiply the color worse. Oh, your cat just look like a curry that's in a like curry burst. Some girl them attack. Me say me jaws and a tie and dye. Say me jaws and a tie and dye. Say me jaws and a tie and dye. A girl she fi go on and die. Cause me jaws and a tie and dye. Me jaws clean 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 and a tie and die. You be tell a girl go die. Me say your man want to eat it. You want to get in at the middle and lick it, make it sweet it. Hey girl, you don't know and we keep it. Enough man want to smell the front, them want to eat it. Chew them teeth, them want to string it like a cane. Sweetness of the juice to run down like a rain. Hey girl, quick the cocky make him feel pain. Hey girl, make him taste it like a any champagne. Hey girl, make it rain, make it rain. I feel me jaws and a tie and die. I feel me jaws and a tie and die. I feel me jaws and a tie and die. I feel me jaws and a tie and die. Me jaws clean and a tie and die. Me jaws white and a tie and die. Me just pretty and a tie and die. Me just pretty and a tie and die. Me just pretty and a tie and die. Y'all wear lace front, then I wear lace front drawers. They wear some big old granny drawers gone a man yard. Lay down in a fucking bed with a lace front wing and then drawers big like granny drawers. That a fraud. For me drawers and a tie and die. For me drawers and a tie and die. Me drawers clean and a tie and die. Me drawers clean and a tie and die. Me drawers clean and a tie and die. And a tie and die. The drawers dirty like a curry that you in a eat. Hey girl, you wanna talk, you wanna get a lick. Big stick, cross a face, you wanna spit. Make it catch a bitch, you get a box, bitch. So your drawers and a tie and die. Me drawers clean and a tie and die. Me drawers clean and a tie and die. Whoa, them a die tonight. Anyway, girl, me say you look good, but your head you do the split. The boy you run you down, now you are the 8. Swim or you get the and they come in at your hole and you know it have a stick. Hey girls and a tie and die. Hey girl and a tie and die. Hear me now. You need drawers clean in a tie and die. You need drawers clean in a tie and die. You need drawers clean in a tie and die. She not tie and die. She not tie and die. You need drawers clean in a tie and die. You need drawers clean in a tie and die. You need drawers clean in a tie and die. In a tie and die. In a tie and die. Oh, girl, you just clean the tie and die. You just clean the tie and die. You just clean the tie and die. Yannick just clean in a tie and die. Big up yourself, Curvy Diva. Yannick just in a clean. Oh, you clean and a tie and die. Tight and tight and die. Sit your mother's cunt, yeah. You want to come tell me how to live my scunt-ass life a day, you not a scunt. Hello. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You know, how you want to feel, man? You want to shut up for me with some gunshot full of steel, my nigga? Yo, love in my heart, I keep it real, man. How you want to vex and feel, man? Sometimes your feelings you got to shield, man. Yeah, my niggas. It's only love I got to give, man. Ain't no hate, man. Sometimes the love and hate is only make you separate, man. Yo, gunshot make me shake, man. Nobody want to try, man. When they want to cry, man. Not want to see me in the casket, want to see me die, man. But hate is a powerful shit. When you think about this bitch, some of them is really witch. They're not human for shit. Yo, I say how I feel. You don't like me. Still you want to sit down and type. You want to write me. Bite me on my back. You want to fight me. Rewind and come again, my nigga. Yo, ace is for Mace. You want to step in my place? Oh, bitch. Oh, man. Ace is for Ace. You want to step in my place? Oh, man. Oh, man. Ace is for Ace. You want to step in my place? Huh. When I open like that, see the pretty full thick leg. You capture your heart, make it stiff cock. You know what I'm talking about, my nigga. The shipwreck. You see the big ass that I got that you want to smack. These want to talk about they want to eat. But they can't go to Hollywood, nigga. They can't go to Hollywood. I got to go to Hollywood and sit in alley. Sit in the wood. I got to go to Hollywood, sit in the alley. Got to sit in the hood. Sit on the alley, make say Hollywood. Sit on the hood, make you feel good. Shield this shit. This is real as shit. Yo, you want to eat the shit like a meal is it. Yo, you eat a meal, make you feel good. You eat a meal and make you feel nice. You eat the meal and it tastes like rice and peas with gravy on top because it's real nice. Yeah. Me I get a queen, 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 me I get a. Dance a girl and dance the pole, rock your shit and let them say, hey bitch you not gonna stand so. I go around this shit. I go around this shit. Jump on the pole and I'ma jump on this shit. Jump on the pole. Bring it down, my nigga. I'm down, my nigga. I'm down. I'm down. Nigga on the pole, you did the pole. The pole, you did the pole, my nigga. You gotta swing around this shit. Oh. I know you want me to bust my ass. I know you evil snake on the grass. But come on, man. Strong body girl want the good boy fi work, work. Strong body girl cause you want the boy fi work. Work me up, make a water me thirst. Work me up, boy, make your body work. See me body dry, yes, it a turk. Come me wine, come me like how you work. Inna me belly, boy, yes, stuffy murk. Reach your maximum, boy, make me thirst. Oh, say you love me. Oh, oh, say you love me. Say you love me. Say you, oh yeah, oh, 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 you love me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh. Ow, 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 ow. Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Ooh. Fucking tired. Fucking, yo, my niggas. You don't work like that, man. You work for your sweat to your bro. You should eat bread. I'm gonna call and get your cream. If you ain't get me at 347-469-3874, you can get me at 347. Get J 347-737-1812 to order your whitening cream. And the thing is dried up on my belly, so I could start go creaming soon, because that's why I wasn't creaming. And you get your soap and cream. Support me and buy your whitening shea butter. I got $10 ones too, and I got all kind of whitening cream, whitening soaps. Support me by soap and cream or whatever you need. Don't be an asshole. I got Coldfield jewelry set, nice necklace, earring, matching ring. I also got belly chains like these, belly beads. Around his stomach, I got a lot of nice things. So support me, Colleen, and support the ones who love you, the ones that want to be blessed. I don't care about the hater. I'm hustling, that's the best. Go, bitch, go. Lick me till I come. Lick me like a lollipop. I tell you when I'm done. Come, bitch, long. Your fist to go, your tongue. Let me ride your tongue. Let me ride your tongue. Ride the tongue, don't ride the tongue, don't ride the tongue, don't. Dong, 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 dong. Oh, yo, it's amazing the way I feel. They don't like when they keep it real. My heart is proud to talk about your ugly bitch. But it doesn't matter, no, I don't switch. I like the flavor of my ugliness. I call the thing and this shit to make me rich. I don't give a fuck, no, I don't want to be broke. These bitches sucking dick until they get in stroke. Shit is hard out there, I gotta hustle my thing. I worry about the bitch if she don't like my bling. Yo, my nigga, you know I keep it real. Oh. My skin look nice without no makeup on. No makeup, me not have on. No makeup. So, call and get your cream. I need your cream today, though, because I didn't... What's in my skin? No makeup. No makeup, yeah. Yes. Yes, man. Damn, my knee. I forgot to tell you guys what happened to my knee. Oh, man, my knee hurts. God damn it. Oh. I'm showing all like my business. Listen, goody, you know what happened to me? Man, I'm going to tell you a story right now because I forget to tell you what happened to me, man. That shit wasn't funny, but dog, I'm telling you, you know, the other day I went to Jamaica, Queens, right? You know that's where I shop. Jamaica, Queens. I don't shop in Brooklyn, you know that. So, I went to Jamaica, Queens, and I went there and I bought something, but I realized it got a hole in it, right? So I had to return it. But the day when I went to buy the stuff, there's a place that sells pizza on the avenue, and it sells some damn good pizza. So I stopped there and I bought a slice. It was really good, you know, and I ate it. I wanted to come back and get a pie to take with me, but the place was so packed. I was like, forget it, I ain't gonna wait that long to get back to Brooklyn. So when I went to exchange the stuff back now, I decided I'm gonna get a pie. I wasn't that busy. I said, all right, let me get a pie, you know. I bought a slice while I was going, and on the way back, I bought a pie that day. I'm bringing the pie to Brooklyn, and it's a large pie, I'm telling you. And, because it's so good. And while I'm in the train, man, this lady came in, what I hear was like red, green, and gold. Her hair looked really pretty, and she was sitting across me, and so on. She said, hi, and I was like, do you know me? And she's like, no. And I was like, I hear it, your hair is nice, though, I like it, whatever, you know, and shit. Man, as the train about to pull up before it stopped at Broadway Junction, man, I stand up, and the fucking thing shake, and I just went right down. I fell in the train. And the way I'm holding to the pizza so protective, man. I was holding on the pizza so good. Nothing happened to the pizza. One of my knee almost gone. So I was like, damn. I hold on to the pizza so good, and that's why I couldn't get to balance up. This knee went down while I was still holding the pizza before I let the pizza go and grab onto something. I did not. I hold on to the pizza and then protecting it, and then I almost lose one of my knee for that shit over a box of pizza. But, you know, it's like a natural protective. I wasn't trying to protect it and not protect myself. It's just my natural instinct with the food. It's like, yo, you got to hold on to this. And it just happened naturally. And that's bad because, you know, my knee come first, you know. And I was like, damn. And, you know, people was laughing and shit. I was sorry I didn't have it on video, man. And I was like, damn, at least I had a pizza that didn't throw away. I tell y'all, because this pizza is goddamn good. That's the only thing I could say. I was like, thank you. This lady grabbed me, man. If it wasn't for her, I would fell on top of the pizza box with my face down. That's how I would have landed. You know, so she grabbed me and she was strong too, man. I started laughing off and I was telling her, man, I should have had this shit to post on Facebook, me going on the pizza box and stuff. It was funny. I got to make it funny. I mean, it's embarrassing too, but I mean, what you going to do? You know, you fall down on your knee, went out, you're still hugging the pizza box real tight. That's some shit. And everybody saw me hold on to the pizza box good, you know, the way I felt. It was safe, but I wasn't. Yeah, pizza. That's what happened, man. Yeah, but I love you. Who don't love me ain't gotta stay, nigga. You ain't gotta stay. You ain't nobody, but you don't have to come over here on the woman page. I tell you, I'm Mrs. Cockafart. And when you hear the voice, me borrow her body and use it with my spirit. And I tell her, take out to the mama nasty cloth and come out here. You don't want to be here, bitch. Go somewhere else and exercise your throat. This is not an agency for you to come over here and lab in your mouth like you're running an agency or you think this is your life. This is not your life, bug them living in your nasty hole. This is not your life. You see, I don't have to see no comment. Because me have this spirit in me. Me a psyche to mama rascal big hole. Listen to me big hole out of control. Listen to me big hole out of control. Me know who no like a sorrow to mama ras. Me know who no like a sorrow, me say. Who no a Sodom and Gomorrah and a nasty. I don't know why no papa never come in a scandal bag and put on a garbage. He might go try put in a the poor woman and bring this fucking devil child on this earth. Why you never papa never come in a plastic bag if you couldn't find a condom, give him a damn plastic bag. You never see the woman in Africa we walk about and sell her skunt? When she go to the shop, she buy a whole plain plastic bag. And she said that's what she use. See her pum pum wall must be very strong. How the hell you going to use a plastic and man shoot that up in you? And she said it's safer than a condom, you hard for burst. And she blew up on them and check them, make sure she no hole in them. That thing is still on you too, I tell you. She using plastic bags that they could put rice and flour and sugar and we used to use back home in the days. That's what she using. She said it's more safe and it's cheaper for her. And she can always get it. And that's what walk around and that's what she use. Me I say for her wall and she do it and she count up all this money that she sell her scone for. And I said to myself, you know, this woman must have a cow skin skunt inside. How the hell you going to take a plastic bag instead of a condom? And you're going from one man to the other. Your scunt got to make out of some different kind of shocking material, I tell you. Your scunt are too. Your scunt is soft inside of the way. Your scunt going to take them damn ass plastic bag with sealing of them. Rubbing your goddamn scunt, that hard plastic up in your scunt. You must have a jungle ass scunt, boy. I tell you, your scunt got to be a jungle boy. You have to be big. So when you put the plastic bag on the shoulder, you feel nothing, because if it's tight, you could not wear the plastic bag if your scunt tight. Because that's going to rub out the whole inside of your scunt is soft inside. What a disaster and got hurt. That means the inside of your scunt probably hard like when you wash your foot bottom. So, and what? And so, yes, and what? It's none of your goddamn business. That's number one. It's not your business. It's not your line. It's not saving daylight, saving time. I'm a pretty girl, wanna go to Olivet. Pretty black queen, you know what I mean. When I come on the scene, it seems like it's a dream. You never know, I'm alone, I'm not in the team. But yes, I got the team that follow me, my queens. Man, I talk about my Eilbach, some of them got some fat racks. Them niggas are talking like they don't want to play me, man. Well, you want to act like I'm a ghost and I'm gonna chuck on you. Like I'm a Chucky, I'm a suck on you. My nigga, you gotta cool out, man. It's on the love spread. Nobody get it in your head, man. You naughty dread, man. Yo, big up yourself. The dread of the knots of the dread. Yo, put the culture in the youth man head. Never lead the youth man astray. Tell him the bush is the only way. The medicine, don't make him ever stray. To Babylon, they spray you like a road spray, man. It's okay, my nigga, to get the sea from the fish. The fish from the sea. Put it in the coconut juice and steam. Your ital dish with ackee, so sweet. Roast breadfruit, that's what me like to eat. Yo, most dreadlocks man, they don't like pum pum to lick. They don't like eat meat. But I tell you now, I got the fish so sweet. Man, it's the uniquest fish you ever taste in your teeth. Yeah, I'm looking for a dreadlock strong, my nigga. I climb on your dreads like I'm all the way in the wilderness like Tarzan, man. I spring up on your dread and climb in your head, picking the fruits that growing from your dreads, my nigga. I eat them down. Yo, no slow down for me. Nobody go down for me. For the throne of the queen, nobody come clown for me. Yo, my girl, man. Y'all sit down, bitch. Your little pussy just started twit. You want tweet to talk about your tweet some shit. What the fuck you talk about? What you really eating, bitch? It's time for y'all to stop eating the red meat. Y'all eat too much meat. That's why you got dick fucking hair stick between your teeth. Y'all don't let me tell the secret between the sheet. Y'all motherfucking talk about and make human meat you eat. Every day y'all in McDonald's feeling so good in the devil playing ground. Eating human beat, everybody crying up in machine and ground. Talk about you eating McDonald's, eating burger, you fucking clown. When you're eating your babies, they're all gone. You wonder why they're missing in the burger you eat. That's why you got the baby flesh itch up in your teeth. Yo, this is not a joke, it's what you eat in the street. Yo, that's why I ain't fuck with red meat. A guy talk about, girl, come suck my dick. I said, man, I don't like the smell and the stench of it. Take that shit, go wash it with some soap and water. That shit still smells stink. I said, what the fuck? You want me to put this shit in my mouth, my nigga? You want me to throw up? What's wrong with you, my nigga? Your dick so stink. Why the fuck you want me to suck pus out your dick? Shit coming out your dick like some ink. What the fuck, my nigga? Yeah, you gotta get it straight. Don't wanna come and like you wanna come put me to zero. Motherfucker, you know I'm a fucking hero. Don't play this shit, bitch. You know I'm the thing. Yeah. Still Mr. Rundown with some ready rain, roast breadfruit on the side. Shit, let me keep in thinking that, damn, my knees out for a slice of pizza. Yo, Yeah, my nigga. Cut me now, you want me to bleed out. Some say, you know, you're a fool. You're a big fat fool. I said, bitch, go fucking suck from my ass some stool. What the fuck you talking about? You know me, bitch. Where the fuck you know me from? I was fucking your daddy. I ain't a stepmom. I ain't fuck with the bitch. Your mama was always a fucking sucking whore, bitch. She got you as a little child. No manners you raise. You want to talk about the devil and me you want to raise? No, bitch. She's only sensing me blaze. Me take you out to that pepper spray. Taste of a blaze. Hear me now. What you want to do? Want to argue with the queen? I smell so clean right now when I come on the scene. But if you don't believe it, you could come with your tongue and clean. Yo, I'm not fear of the haters. Because I know I'm going to Hollywood. While you're sitting on jerking your dick, still no good. Yo, rise yourself and never fall. Because the love I have is still for all. Even though you're trying to put me down, I rise on top and still help you, clown. Focus on the way you go. Don't act like me, you want to blow. Yo, take your time, bitch. You're not taking somebody else's man that don't belong to you at night to suck that nigga dick and you got to tiptoe to reach to the balls. Can't squeal too loud. Your sister might wake up, catch you in the cloud. I don't care what you want to say. Bitch, you know your head is no good. Then you're going to fuck for a pack of Indian hair. Common picture you put to the best dress to wear. To go on Instagram to post, talk about a movie star. Look at me, I'm here. Bitch, you got crosses to bear while I'm rising high. Don't watch for me. You talk about I'm ugly, but the ugly do something. While your pretty face, uncle got you sucking. Got you hustling, bustling. Sperm in the lip you lying. While tears in the eyes you crying. Bitch, you realize. This bitch today I saw early. I got love for all my sister, my nigga. I said, sis, what's up? And she folded her hands like this. She was walking down the street, looked so pissed. I felt so bad because her pregnant, her gut was so big. And I was like, she was like this, and it's your black sister. I was like, sis, you okay? That bitch look at me like she want to jump. After I walk out like, bitch, that's why you breathe and nobody fucking like you. Your attitude stink, my nigga. That's why your breathing nigga leave you. I'm trying to help you, maybe give you $10 or 20. Don't know what the position trying to help. But no, you want to act with your head swell. Bitch, go to hell. You got the devil baby and that's why you're so mad in your stomach. The devil baby in your stomach make you so mad, bitch. That's why you get up every day, you want to argue and fight. Because the devil in your belly giving you a fight. You all got some devil-ass baby like the mother and father. You get up every day, you know you're damn out of order. You raise a fucking kid like a devil child. Every time they see they want to curse at you, that's what the mama and papa teach them to be. Yeah, nobody in life. So you want to come again and try? No, I only will marry a man. I will never choose a wife. I like to feel the big dick in my tripe. You heard? Don't get it twisted, my bitch. Don't get it twisted because my tongue reaches to switch. You hear me? I know. I want to get me a man. I don't want to get me a wife. Because I like to feel a big dick stretch out my tribe. You heard me? You get it right. Yo, stretch it, little more, stretch it. Feed me and feed me. Make me get young and prosy and nice. Give me that cocky young boy. Make me go wild, oh, wild, wild, wild. Boy, it's sweet, 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 oh. The body's sweet. Boy, the body's sweet, boy. The body's sweet. The body's sweet, the body's sweet enough to eat. The body's sweet. The body's sweet cause him not to eat. Cause the body's sweet. The body's sweet him not to eat. Cause the body's sweet. Him not to eat. Cause the body's sweet. Body sweet him not to eat. Body sweet. Body sweet him not to eat. Body sweet. Body sweet. Body sweet him not to eat. Body sweet. Me say your body sweet me by giant, by giant. It's sweet like a cane itch up in me spine. Why your body sweet, nobody waste no time. Your body sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet so boy, sweet so boy, sweet so. I take a flight and me gonna Jamaica. Come off of the plane. Get to the countryside, fi go visit me family. Boy see me body and him gone insane. Him say, woman, what you looking for? You want something in me garden? Him say, come lady, no bother place touch. Come and follow me in the bush. Let me cut you the sugar cane. Me say, sugar cane, oh, sugar cane. Sugar itch up in me brain, oh, sugar cane. Sugar cane, oh, sugar cane. Sugar cane itch up in me brain. The boy put it on me, him say, woman stand study. I giving you giant to giant. Him say, woman stand study. I make you feel the cane right. Him say, no bother go on like your stoosh. Let me take off your drawers in the bush. And me come off of the plane with me big fat tush. And the boy him pull me in the bush. Him say, what you want out of me garden? You say you want a long sugar cane. Well, me have the one is so sweet, gal. It a go hit way up in your brain. Me say sugar cane, oh, sugar cane. Sugar cane, oh, sugar cane. Sugar cane, oh, in me brain. Sugar cane, oh, sugar cane. Sugar cane, oh, in my brain. Him say giant, 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 giant. Giant, 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 sugar cane, oh, sugar cane. He say giant, 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 giant. One more giant at the sugar cane. Him say, woman, you're whining from the back. Oh, your body parts so big and fat. Me say, all the time in the America, adapt me, I sit down on that. Him say, girl, make me get up on that. Make you feel so sweet. So the cane juice me I go give you, it I go hit up between your teeth. We say sugar cane, oh, sugar cane. Sugar cane hit up in my brain, oh. Sugar cane, oh, sugar cane. Sugar cane hit up in my brain. Him stab it left to right. Him say you feel that girl it reach up in your tribe. Me say, oh, me feel so sweet, boy. Me no worry about the night you a fall down. You hear the goat them a ball down there? You never carry the goat them come. Him say, no worry about the goat them have to come. Me no want them teeth, me goat them and make them done. But for right now, girl, me I give it to you. And the feelings just can't done. What more, girl, I make me send the cane. Right up in the sugar in your brain. What more, your girl, I make me send the cane. Make me put the sugar right up in your brain. Me say, whoa, 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 yeah, the sugar cane. Whoa, 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 yeah, the sugar cane. Sugar cane in me brain, oh. Sugar cane in me brain. Sugar cane in me brain, oh. Sugar cane, sugar cane. Sugar cane in me brain, oh. Sugar cane, oh. Sugar cane in me brain, oh. Me say giant, 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 giant. Ooh. Me feel the pressure, boy. Me ready for come. Me ready for bust and not make it run like run down. And the sugar cane, oh, so sweet. I like the way you ease up, boy. Don't bother kiss your teeth. Because you don't like me move position, but right now the sugar reaching on me brain. And me can't stop jamming, me gone insane. Me say sugar cane, oh, calypso, boy. And you tell them, say, listen. When you have talent, bitch, you do anything. When you don't have talent, you suck they can fasten people's business and put them down like what you're doing. But listen to me, condom girl. Your papa supposed to put in a condom or a plastic bag. And he forgot and it get away. You're a getaway child. Foster child. Because your way is not good, your father. Didn't want to keep you after all. You want to be loved? Come make me love you, but don't try to hate me. Let me work and make money, I can give you something. Do not hate me. Because your father should have shown you in that condom and he did not, and the plastic bag. That's what I blame him for. I don't know why he makes such mistake and do these things all the time. And bring this unwanted people on this earth with the devil applicate. Come on, Daddy. Why you do that, Daddy? Come on. Anyway. I've been loving you so damn. Now the heat is too much. I'm gonna have to open the window, I'm telling you. The heat is too much right now. The heat is too much water, this thing's hot. The heat is too much. Yeah, when we try to get the heat, we tell them fuck up the window, from the fuck up the window from outside that when we get to the window, come over there to cut the whole entire window. Before we get from here, yeah. Not do no more. So we have to cut the whole entire thing. See? If you get some, it's outside. See the museum right there? You like this area pretty? Some of the daytime we just are full of so much people. At daytime. Try the museum and botanic garden over there, so yeah. So while it's cool, I'm put it back like the window and put that in. After a while. Remember if I call and get some jewelry and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. I want to drop on the ground. Let me hear something dropping. I know. You like my heart? It started sweating me with the heat. It started like melt my goddamn brain. It's like my brain is melting, goddamn it. I love you. I see you later. I see you later, okay? I'm gonna come back later. Cause what time now? Yeah, later, okay? I love you. I see you soon. I see you soon, okay? I love you, okay? Make yourself okay, okay? Don't be a hater, okay? Just be a lover, okay? Okay, please, okay? I love you too, goddammit. I love you too, goddammit. You know I love you now. Now listen to me. I don't care what nobody say, girl. You know I love you, goddammit. I know my eyes feel. I don't know, my eyes feel, bitch. I don't know. This shit keep coming up and down my goddamn eye. I like to work in the voodoo on me, goddamn it. They just trying to shut my goddamn eyes down. They just trying to make me look uglier than what I really is, child. To say I'm a ugly child, I'm a ugly grandchild, I tell you, I don't know, these people just wicked now. But I'm wearing a hat, I'm wearing this bitch. You see my Whoopi Goldberg hat? She had a hat like that. I'm wearing this shit, goddamn it. Who tell you can't go famous and wear expensive shit? With necklace, my hat, this shit looks cute, motherfucker. Match with my glasses. Who tell me I'm not in fucking style? Bitch, I dare you talk about I don't look good. You could never ever try it. You could never ever try it, bitch. I dare you try this shit. Talking about you look good and you this and you that. Look better than me. Bitch. No. Hello. Me have my center part. Hello. Hello, honey. Hello, this is my real Indian ear. Black people ear look good. Hello, honey. No, you're not gonna play me today. Oh no, she did not go there, honey. You ain't going there, honey. You sure enough ain't going there, bitch. I'm telling you straight now. No, bitch. You ain't doing it, bitch. You wrong for that. I tell you. You wrong as a motherfucker, bitch. You wrong as hell. You wrong, motherfucker. I tell y'all, boy, y'all motherfucker, you're wrong, motherfucking bitch. I see that bitch, I could have smacked her ass up, but I said, you know what? I ain't get time for all these bitches, because I'm older than a bag of fucking chips, my nigga. Hello. Everything you wear name brand, everybody want to wear the name brand. Everybody want to buy your shit. Everybody want to wear your shit, you know. They're like, God damn it, you know, bitch got Indian in here. Hello. But she not a fucking Indian. Hello. Bitch, you not. No, you're not, bitch. No, you're not. You got a dead person part. Hello. Yeah, you look like a dead person part. Hello. Yeah, center part. Dead people center part. Hello. And the makeup look like when they used to put people in a casket. But don't want to come criticize me because I want to make up my lip gloss. Because suck your mama pussy till the nipple till it's swipple. I'm it, bitch. You know I'm it, bitch. I'm it, bitch. You know I'm the shit, bitch. I'm it, bitch. Know that I'm it, bitch. I'm the bitch. Yo, I'm the shit, bitch. Oh, yo, ho. But you're trying to address me. Why you trying to stress me? Don't you know I'm best? I'm the best of the best be. Hey, whore, go suck a dick, please. Where you coming for your next meal? Where you wanna bake a smoke, come a tree trees? Bitch, go sit down and scrub your heel. You what talk about your shoplifting, cause you steal. Now you talk about you wanna put me down low. Bitch, won't you go on and you can't even touch your toe. You will talk but you think you in the row, but you're next in the line like a parole. You wanna talk about bitch in the show be rap? You wanna talk about bitch you wanna steal with scrub with some soap and you know don't need a rug. So with J's and the J's for a bitch B. So with J's and the J's for a bitch B. Put the G's and the G's for the bitch B. Put the G's, put the J's and the bitch B. 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 You don't know what J's is if you're not a Jamaican. Put the J's and the bitch B. See, sprinkle the J's. Bitch smell like she's smoking some rotten food that you get from the Chinese, rotten rat tail. Bitch, you smell like a rotten rat tail. Where you vomit, your gut stink inside. You talk about you swallow alive. I know it's on the sperm, it caught in your eye. That's why the case, and I know I got to try. Get down low, please, get down low. Get low, and you can't even touch your toe. Hey, I'm a fierce bitch, man, I'm a fierce bitch. I'm a fierce bitch, nigga, I'm a fierce bitch. My love is real cause you know I never switch. I'm a fierce bitch, nigga, I'm a fierce bitch. I'm a fierce bitch, nigga, I'm a fierce bitch. And I never wanna suck another bitch dick. Cause I'm a fierce dick, yes, I'm a fierce bitch. I never wanna suck another nigga dick. Oh, I ain't gonna share your dick while you spit on it, bitch. I ain't gonna lick your spit. I don't wanna share your dick. Most of all, I'm conscious, lyrical sense. Yeah, seem like a mental. I need some fucking help. Yo, the devil wanna come, but they gotta expel. Swell up all in my throat. This shit ain't a joke. When the devil come to my body, it's like a shock of a stroke. Hey, yo, man. You want to take my money and collect? Yo, you can't wait for me even dead yet. Motherfucker, you want me sleep and fret cause the good pussy that I have, you can't find no nest. Yo, my nigga, you don't right, yo. Now, one more, I'm out of here. They never used to love me when I was a little girl. Run. And it's a rock and roll tonight. And it's a rock and roll tonight. Oh, I was a little white boy. And my mama used to think I'm a toy from Toys R Us. She used to play with me all night. I grew up to be a singer, now I'm telling you that we're gonna do it right, man, rock and roll, rock and roll, ding down morning, baby, sing it out, rock and roll, yeah, oh. Ain't gonna do the rock and roll, man. Ain't gonna sell his soul. My nigga, come on, man. You gotta make his shit for the day before we get old. We smoke a lot of pot, think about it, and that is a rock and roll. And nigga pump to my body all over, cause the devil stole eat my fucking soul, my nigga. Oh, yes, it's a rock and roll. Nigga, yes, it's a rock and roll. Nigga wanna talk about the do the shit. Mama never liked the shit in the stick, but I still to win this bitch. I gotta rock and roll. Rock and roll.